Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So a 2-4-2-3. Wow, let's play a Najdorf. Okay, let's add a bit of excitement. H5. Try and disturb him a bit. Bishop B7 coming up. Knight takes there. Might not be so bad. Knight G6. Okay, I'm holding F4 there. D5 square isn't okay. That pawn, yes, good point. this is going to be falling apart, isn't it? It's going to be falling apart. Big time. He's just going to munch my pawns. Okay, can I do anything here? Well, not really. Play for F5. It's pretty gone on bullet as well. We've got a 2-4-4-3 bullet raising. I seem to be a bit doomed here the way I played it. Yep, pretty much doomed. I got any threats in sight? Rook C2 or Rook C2 might be. This rook. Can I do a cheapo on this rook? Unlikely. Yeah, it looks pretty doomed. What to say? Okay, but anyway, Rook C7. Let's see. Rook C7. Can I get rid of this? He's got that nice A pawn and this terrible pin against me. Mind you, there might be some resources. Like looking at Queen G5 there. If I could got my Queen to G5, that'd be something. Knight takes. Oh, hang on. Why can't I do this?
Check.
It's got some underlying weaknesses. If I could get to them with, say, King takes, Knight F5, Queen G5, there are actually some underlying weaknesses. I don't want to be too. I want to be a bit positive that there might be a chance here. Say King takes, Knight moves, and Queen G5. Has he got a crushing move here though? Wow. Okay. It's a check. Unfortunately, it's not winning the rook. He's got 3 pieces. E4. And Queen F5 or E4. That seems more interesting than earlier. Actually, I'm holding C8. Okay. Use a bit of time. Bishop G2. Okay. Gotta get out of the dangers here. Or Rook F3. Oh, there was Queen B1 check. Queen takes B2. Come on. Think. Oh, he's got that pawn. I completely forgot about that pawn. I think that pawn's just immediately winning with A7. That's a slight snag with this possession. Because his rook's holding the queening square. Okay. Yeah, that was felt enormous pressure there. Oh dear. Let's have a quick look. I don't think there was any real I think his queen sack was good. Even I was looking forward to a glimmer of hope. I think it was squashed. Yeah, this rook a4 is on the cards here. That's one problem. Yeah. Yeah, talking +3. Yeah, still, check. It's that's the right move. Queen d5. Yeah, it's pretty crushing. There's nothing here, is there? a6. Check. Yeah, we're talking +4. Yeah, I feel a bit run over there. Oh well. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.